All right, I'm out at Great Bear. It's in close to Brandon, in between Sioux Falls and Brandon. Just going on a trail walk and decompressing, getting some fresh air, some vitamin D from the sun, and just thinking about, the question, the age-old question, what came first, the chicken or the egg? Reformatting that question so people can think about it even more in different type of ways. It's still the same question, but like, what came first, the baby or the adult? The seed or the plant, the pebble or the mountain, and if we're looking at it from an inorganic questioning. But I think it was a scientist that was Plato. It was one of those ancient antiquity philosophers that said man's purpose is to find the meaning of life, or to search or seek for the meaning to life. And to have these questions it's a natural human trait to want to know the origins of things, the origins of us, the origins of things around us, the origins of this planet, the universe, cosmos. And I think that's just I think it's healthy thinking. Instead of just getting into the routine of being a cog in a working machine, and not thinking about more to life than just work, school, money. Life and death is a whole lot. There's a lot of layers. It's a complex system. So thanks for your time, but I want to get some feedback and see what your thoughts are on that. Peace, love, smiles, shoot, galaxy. I'm Zachary. I see you. Health is wealth. Take care of self. Be kind to yourself. Be kind to others. Be kind to nature. The universe will support you. I'm gonna go on my